Back here making some metal art. Basically I've got this little guy here, and then 1/4 bolt, a 5/16 washer, a 3 little, I think this is like a 6, 8, and 10 nuts, and then a chain link. I have a little timing chain gear, and also some welding rod, some, I believe it's like 1/8 and maybe 1/16 welding rod. Sorry if the noise is weird. We got the heater running and it's kind of kicking on and off. So, and I got my table set up, my welder, and my wire feed, and we're gonna make some metal art. So let's see if we can't take this bunch of stuff here and make something cool. I got it pretty close. I've got my little guy sitting here welded together. It's just some welding rod pressure. Oh, every time I throw it, pressure. Every time I talk, damn thing is on. Anyway, I've got these little nuts, and I was trying to weld them to a 3/16 welding rod. However, it keeps jacking up the rod is melting faster than I can weld the nut to the rod. So I'm going to try this again, but I just thought I'd show you a little update on manual focus. There it goes. There, come on. I'll zoom in, maybe that. Oh, we got kind of what I got so far, so I'm going to keep plugging away on that. Kind of the wrong side of the light, ain't it? There you go, it's a little better view. You got the little dude fishing here. Basically just, I'm not even sure what this hat is. It was just something I had laying around, and then his glasses were a chain link, and then fishing pole itself was 1/8 with, this is 1/16 rod with some 023 Walden wire for the line, and then some 10 and 8 nuts. They might be a 6, but I think they've ended up using 2 8s and a 10 down there for the loops on the reel, and then a 8 and a 10 here for the little fish. Some 1/8 inch rod down here on his legs. Just a regular washer there for a base there, and we just kind of welded that together. And yeah, it's some 1/8 inch welding rod for his arms. So kind of what we got. And that's pretty much it on the little fisherman dude. Some quick and easy art ideas there. You could try at home there if you got a welder and some parts. Made this in probably about 30 to 45 minutes, just trying to get stuff together. I did fight the wire a little bit, trying to get the nuts welded to it. Other than that, it wasn't too bad once I got everything set up. So yeah, I don't know if you like this type of stuff, these little goofy art stuff. Miss a like, a subscribe, and comment below. Remember, get out there and create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.